Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Win as much as 22 million pesos with our Mega Pot. Play, have fun, and take your chance. At Bingo Bonus, join the dance. Maglaro, maglibang, manalo today. Big prizes are just one game away. Easy to play and very exciting games for all. Plus, we have free shuttle service. Hatid sundo ka sa lahat ng branches. Explore our exciting variety of bingo and casino games. See you at our Bingo Bonus branches. RC Mall, East Bahak Public Market, Barrio Barreto, Gordon Avenue, and at the second level of the Harbor Point Mall. Bingo Bonus! Maglaro at maglibang for an afternoon of gaming fun. Bingo Bonus meron sa Public Market, East Bahak Public Market, yung RC Mall. Meron sa Castillejos. Meron sa Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Meron sa Barreto. Ayan. Tapos may libreng shuttle service. Alright, kung saan mo man gustong maglaro. Ayan, gusto magpalipas, maglibang. Bingo Bonus, maglaro at maglibang. Bingo Bonus. Soon you will be hearing that. I-record ko yung ako mismo yung kumanta, parang ganon. Ayan. Welcome to the Radyo Bandera family, ang ating Bingo Bonus. Alright. And on with today's more of the latest news and updates for you guys. As you guys all know, tayo ang official radio station ng Running Community. Lagi tayong may running event na ina-announce dito. Lagi nating ina-update yung mga nasa running community natin. So always tune in, yung mga members ng running community, ha? Always tune in to Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo. And right about that, we'd like to invite you. The Cleanup Club will be happening. As you guys all know, this was launched a couple of months ago. Ang monthly Subic Bay Freeport wide cleanup activity. Ayan, yung mga kaibigan nga natin sa sa 2nd Battalion ng Special Action Force PNP. Nagtatanong na excited na Ayan, mga ma'am sir, 2nd Battalion Force, Action Force, Special Action Force. This Thursday na po. Ayan, dati kasi Friday cleanup to. Kaya lang 'di ba nag-declare si Presidente Marcos ng 4-day work week. So karamihan inadapt yung Monday to Thursday na pasok lang. Yung Friday, ginawang work from home. Kaya naging every Thursday to, last Thursday of the month. And for the month of May, this coming Thursday na, May 28. Ayan, okay, nakaschedule ha. 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Everybody's invited. Lahat ng empleyado ng ASBMA, mga nagtatrabaho sa Subic Bay Freeport, kahit hindi sa loob ng Subic Bay Freeport, kahit sino, mga grupo, organisasyon, kagaya ng Special Action Force, sasali sila. Nagtatanong kanina, shout out na rin sa inyo ha, yung ating mga katropa dyan sa 2nd Battalion SAF. Naka-station sila sa loob ng Subic Bay Freeport. Sana I have your names, no? Pasa nyo nga sa akin yung names ninyo. Lahat ng pangalan ninyo para pipitikin sa kamay isa-isa. Hindi, babatiin natin isa-isa. Wag pala, bati. Greet na lang. Para i-greet natin isa-isa, hindi kami nang babati. Greet na lang. Tinigil namin yung pababate kasi masyado raw masarap. Again, I'm trying to say, May 28 po, Thursday, 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. A meeting place sa Building 229 this time. Binago na, sa 229 na. Tama ba? Sa 229 daw. Ang host, SBU Support Services Group. Okay? Ayan. So, see you guys there. This coming Thursday na. Ayan. Pero bukas pa